give from what is always well. I feel the pulse of every life, one body breathing many forms. What I touch begins to heal, aligned with deeper loves. Love flows where I am now. No boundary, no return. What I offer feeds the whole and leaves no trace of burn. The earth remembers how to care. The rhythm holds us all in this giving. Nothing fades. We rise because we fall.